What is energy?
Energy is movement, or is when something can cause movement. Whee!
It's all about energy on this episode of Bronk's Brain.
Movement is a type of energy.
And scientists call this type of energy kinetic energy. This billiard ball has kinetic energy. When I say the ball has kinetic energy, it's just another way of saying the ball is moving. That's simple, right?
Hot things, like this iron, have a lot of energy. But what do hot things have to do with movement? Before I can tell you, I need to tell you that everything around us is made of microscopic things called molecules. Water is made of molecules, the air is made of molecules, so is your body, so is this plastic rat, so is this real rat.
Good morning, look at the camera, good morning.
They're all made of molecules.
All molecules are constantly jiggling around, but you can't see them move because they're too small to see. And here's what's really neat. What it means for something to be hot is that the molecules in it are jiggling really fast.
What it means for something to be cold is that the molecules are jiggling slowly.
Yummy.
When your skin touches something that has fast vibrating molecules, your brain goes, "Whoa, that's hot!"
No!
The vibration and movement of molecules is called thermal energy, which is a type of kinetic energy.
There are also other types of energy besides movement. For example, this compressed spring isn't moving, but it does have energy. It has a type of energy called potential energy.
Hey Gabe, what's that?
Oh hey Vivek, I was just telling these kids. If I let go of it, the spring moves automatically. Potential energy is when something is positioned in such a way that it can move automatically.
Oh, so Gabe positioned the ends of the spring close together, storing energy. We call it potential energy because the spring has the potential to move. When the spring moved, potential energy turned into kinetic energy. So Gabe, would you like some Springles?
Ooh, I've never had these before. Like springs, molecules can also have stored energy. This is called chemical potential energy. As you know, potential energy leads to movement. To get movement in this case, just mix certain chemicals together.
The liquid's moving. A chemical reaction is occurring which is creating a lot of air, and the air is blowing the liquid out of the bottle through the hole in the bottle's cap.
Whoa, look how hot this got.
83.8 degrees Fahrenheit. So this means the molecules are jiggling fast. Chemical potential energy has turned into thermal energy. Put on your safety goggles and try this at home by mixing hydrogen peroxide with active dry yeast. Just don't get any of the chemicals into your eyes or mouth.
Jetpacks fly by using hydrogen peroxide.
Yes, jetpacks are real.
Hydrogen peroxide reacts inside the jetpack, causing the air molecules in the jetpack to move fast. The fast-moving air blows the person into the sky.
Chemical potential energy is also the reason cars move. Inside the cylinders of the car's engine, gasoline reacts with oxygen, resulting in fast-moving molecules that hit the piston. That makes the piston move, which causes the car's wheels to turn. Now let's talk about another type of energy, the energy of light. Light can actually cause movement. You've experienced this when you're out in the sun. The sunlight hits the molecules in your skin, making them jiggle faster. That's why sunlight makes you hot.
Energy is very important.
Every day, people use the energy of sunlight, wind, and fossil fuels so that we can drive our cars, heat our buildings, and power our lights and electronics. But fossil fuels such as gasoline and coal create carbon dioxide, which traps heat in the Earth's atmosphere, causing global warming.
Global warming is causing droughts, famine, and other terrible events that are hurting people all around the world. But together we can all make a difference to stop global warming.
For example, in the winter, every day before you leave your house, turn your thermostat down to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. That way you'll use less fossil fuels to heat your house. Another great thing to do is to get solar panels on your roof. This way you'll get energy from sunlight instead of fossil fuels, and your family can save money on electricity and receive tax benefits.
In conclusion, what is energy? Energy is movement, or is when something can cause movement. Thanks for watching.
And we hope you're excited to learn more about
Energy!